My name is Chakuri Subhashra Shende and our project guide is Ajay Vaksar and our team members is Swati Khurgade, Vikas Mishra, Sumit Momte, and our project title is Modification and Fabrication of Same Welding Machine. Same welding machine, it is one of the type of resistance welding machine. There are two types, spot welding and sim welding, which is a sim welding machine. In this machine, there are components, transformer, base frame, feed mechanism, and then another feed mechanism. There are two electrodes, first one and second one, and these are PVC rollers for rotating the workpiece, go and outside. It is generally used in aircraft, tanks, oil transformer, refrigeration, and other small workshops in automobile. Outcome map in this project. Implement the plant activity individually and as a team. Select, collect and use required information, knowledge to solve the identified problem. Take a proper decision based on the collection and the analyze information. And the fourth one is ensure quality of a product. Incorporate energy and environmental conservation principle. Consider the ethics issues related with the project. Assess the impact of the project on the society. Communication effectively, confidently as a member and team leader. Prepare a project report after performing due to plagiarism using the proper tools. Thank you.
While working on this project, some program outcome can be mapped. First, PO1 basic knowledge. In basic knowledge, we use mathematical and science knowledge for mathematical calculations. PO2 discipline knowledge. In discipline knowledge, about the which process is used for particular operation. PO3 experiment and practice. We use various tools, machine for experiment and practice to solve the problems. PO4 engineering tools. We use various engineering tools like hammer, screwdriver, vernier caliper, etc. PO5 engineering and society. In engineering and society, we understand the project is safe for society. PO6 environment and sustainability. In environment and sustainability, we know the project is environment friendly or not. PO8 individual and teamwork. We are working as a team. Usage. In modern software uses, we use Creo software for making a 2D diagram of same welding machine. PSO2 tool and equipment. Tools and equipment used for making a machine. PSO3 mechanical process. In mechanical process, we perform various operations like welding, grinding, etc.
Easy in construction and working also. So this is a frame which is made from iron, and this is a lid screw, and this one is also it is a joint with the help of ball bearing, and this one is also joined between with the help of ball bearing, and this is a feed mechanism, and this one is also it used to feed sheet through this electrode, and this is a electrode which is made from copper. So this handle is connected to the gear, and gear is also connected to the two PVC pipe. Whenever the handle is rotated, the sheet is start rotating toward the electrode. So this is a step down transformer. It has a 16 mm cable on secondary winding. So this wire is connected to this two electrodes. So whenever these two electrodes contact between each other, so heat is developed between them. This heat is used to melt this sheet, and we get welding.
Our future scope is in the future we are modify the machine by increasing transformer rating to high ampere and high voltage and install new electrodes for smooth running and changes the construction of it to attachment of some accessories and also for increasing the activeness of machine. Machine is used in industry, small workshops and college workshops for small work like continuous joining of metal sheet. After changing the electrodes, it can perform spot welding also. Thank you. In the 1920 session, we was forming the team and selecting some projects and collecting all the information related to this machine and note down in the portfolio. After some time, we desire to modify sim welding as machine and get approved by guidance. After that, we goes in the market and find various components and their price and purchase it, but we can't find the transformer as we want, and then we started collecting more information about it. After some days, we was able to modify the transformer and we purchased the step up transformer and modify them, removing upper winding and put 16 mm cable with 2 round. Thus we convert step up into step down transformer, and the rating of step down transformer is 440 volt and 5 ampere. After that, we assembled all the parts of this machine and weld the frame and submit project into the college.